I am at a yoga retreat and here I am doing my face yoga in the afternoon. So 8 a.m. I started with my first yoga session for my body, and this is now around 3:30 that I'm doing my yoga for my face. I think it's extremely important to do workouts so it's benefiting every part of your body, including your face. I'm using my Pink Nano, which is fantastic for travel because it's super lightweight. Like, it's really easy to travel with. And because the charger you need is just like a regular, can be like a phone charger. It's easy to charge, not heavy. I put my microcurrent lotion, nano current lotion in a 1 ounce travel container that you can buy at like one of the drugstores, so I can just squeeze it out as I'm doing my treatment, and voila. So there you go. I mean, it's pretty easy, and I think that, being skin aware in our new year is extremely important, and just making sure that your skin is, constantly nourished and well taken care of. So hopefully this video may inspire you. And I hope to see you at the spa very soon.